Hi guys, just coming over to the other part of the camp. You can see the shelter there. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out. It's burning really efficient right now, but you can probably see a little bit. It worked really well. So big success on the homemade stove. That's sweet. Yeah, so I'm just checking things out here and grabbing a diet cola. So this is where we're gonna. Just didn't have a chance to do it today, but that's the old kind of shelter just to get us out of the rain. It's an old gazebo, cheap one from Walmart or something. But put a ridge line. I'm just gonna get rid of it. But I didn't have time today. I got the Allen key to just take off the things and leave the sides or something. I don't know. Anyways, this is the old spot where you used to just chill. That's the old fire pit. It got moved in a little bit closer. It's just it's wide open, so it's pretty gusty. I'm gonna grab my radio here. Peter's taller than I am, so he's got it way the got the tree. There we go. Alright, I'll just turn the volume down a little bit. That's tuning. My little radio. It's got you can hand crank it. It's got a little solar panel on top, big lantern in the back. That's pretty cool. All right, I want to get back in the shelter because it's freaking cold out here. So it's about, I don't know, right now probably minus 2 or 3 degrees Celsius at least, if not more. But when we come in here, it's a whole lot better. Oh, well, you can't see anything. It is getting dark out too, so. But I don't know. Maybe I can get it.
We just clocked 16 degrees.
So yeah, I know it's hard to see.
15 and a half.
Yeah, 15 and a half degrees inside this, and I don't even have sidewalls. It's open on either end. So, anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you an update. I'll try to get out here. Maybe I'll get a little bit more light. It's getting dark, so it's after 5 p.m. So we've got another 20 or 30 minutes, even though now you can't see anything. Just under a tarp and you can barely see me. So anyways, the homemade wood stove. I'm very, very happy. It did very, very well. It's roaring. It's keeping us warm. And it is literally 15 degrees here. Maybe I could swing it out here. Check this out. Swing it along the ridge line here. That's all I've got it hanging on inside. One more little hump here to go. Oh, there we go. Before it starts going down, look at that. 15 degrees Celsius in our little shelter, and all it is a roof. We don't even have a front and back wall yet. So, sweet action. All right. Well, that's all I got for now. Maybe we'll do, sorry about that. We'll do a little video on our way out. But here we are. I'm officially a hot tenter now, right? What? Oh yeah, I'm a hot tenter. Yeah. Beard and everything. If you don't believe me, I'm a hot tenter. Look at my beard. All right, guys. That's all I got for now. We'll be back.